Ananya and I am 9 years old. Today I'm going to be making a Slinky and I'll show you how to make cards with a Slinky. So let's see what the things you'll be needing. So you'll be needing color papers for the Slinky card or just a regular Slinky. You'll be needing thin cardboard too. You'll need a glue and you'll need scissors. So let's begin making a Slinky. So first thing you'll be needing to do is keep the glue on one piece at the end of one piece. You can spread it if you like, you can not spread it if you like. After you keep that other piece on top. Next, you could wait till it dries, or you could just start. So, first, fold it like this. The first piece you glued it on. And then keep on doing that till you get it to the end. At the end, if you want a longer Slinky than I'm making, you could take 2 more parts and stick it on the edge. Well, I'm not going to do that. So all I'm going to do now is glue this like this. I'm going to cut off the extra first. Ooh, it's hard to hold. Let's do it this way. Okay, then if I fold this, that's it. Right. So first, I'll be needing to glue the first part of it. Okay, just keep some stripes and fold it. And now, give some stripes on the other one and hold it. Hold it for a while, or else it won't stick properly to be a Slinky. Okay, now that the top part is dried, you can play with it like this. It will bounce a little. You can play with it like this. It'll jump. And you can play this. And you can stretch it. It might turn cross while you're stretching. Now, I'll show you some cards over here and some other Slinkies I've made. Okay, these are the cards. Just to take some cardboard and stick it right on top of the Slinky. Those are the cards. Ooh. And if you want the Slinkies for decoration, make it with the ribbons. And I made just these Slinkies fun to play with. This was out of paper, and this is out of cardboard. A little. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.